Hello guys, welcome to a video with me. I learned how to edit, so you're going to see that in play. But today, we're inside the shop, spray painting the lawnmower. Hold up, I got the lawnmower. Blue. I may not have enough, but I forgot to start the video. This is what the entire thing's just going to look like. I already had some on my license plate. I would do red, but I don't have enough red and I don't want to do red. I think it would look better in blue, so yeah, we're doing red. So now I've got to find a spot on my workbench to prop my phone up against. I've got a can of Armor All I could prop it up against. Can't really see that good. Something I can shove underneath. Homemade bolt holder. Put that right there. Put him right there. And then put the phone right there. Okay, since you guys can see right here, first, I'm just going to do right there first, so I can shake up spray paint. Let's get to painting. Montage, time lapse, start. Okay, my phone ran out of storage there, so I just had to move some stuff over. There we go. And time lapse again? Sure, why not? I'm gonna do front grill now. Time for this side that you can't see. And I'm not gonna bother trying to move my phone, so. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm too. Got paint on my finger. It's not enough. Okay, well, I'm just gonna do this quick. Keep getting paint on my finger. Hey, this is future Jeremy here. This ending here did not go so well, so it's gonna end in like a second. It is done.